Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I have a product review of this Shine Armor car detailing product. Alright, so here are the directions. Spray onto a clean damp microfiber cloth and onto the surface you are cleaning, approximately 3x3. Gently wipe the surface with the first pre-wetted and folded microfiber towel. Get a new towel and buff it off before it hazed, and then repeat this process. And it should be streak free, it says, and you can work on glass, paint, metal, and plastic. And so I'm going to go ahead and spray this into a damp cloth, working on a surface by 3x3. The vehicle that I'm going to be testing this on is my 2013 Honda Accord Coupe. I just finished detailing the vehicle. It has been clay barred, and so it shouldn't have any contaminants. I'll do this side with the Shine Armor, and the right side I'll leave it as is. Now there is a lever up here that you have to open this way or the opposite way to release this so that you're able to pull the trigger. So I'm going to do this. Alright, so I'm going to take the product and spray onto my microfiber towel and then onto the surface. Spread the product. Take my dry microfiber towel and buff it. Again, the instruction says to go ahead and spray it onto the vehicle in a wet cloth and then buff it with the dry cloth. It does not say you need to repeat it multiple times, and it doesn't say that there is a cure time that you have to wait. It just says that you got to spray it on and basically wipe it off before it dries. So you don't want this product to dry on the paint. I'm doing it in direct sunlight right now, so all I'm doing is spraying it and quickly drying it, and currently there is no streak whatsoever. Now I'm going to repeat the process on the rest of this side of the hood, and then I'll do a water test with the side that's been treated and then this other side that hasn't been treated. Alright, so my passenger side has this Shine Armor product applied, driver's side has nothing. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray the water and see what happens. Alright, so this is the treated side. And this right here is the non-treated side. Now I went ahead and wiped everything off, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a couple more coats of this Shine Armor product on the passenger side. Alright, so right now I have about 4 coats of this Shine Armor product on this passenger side, nothing on the driver's side. So I'm going to do a water test from the water bottle. As you can see, the water is going straight off. It's not sticking to the paint. And here is the untreated side. Now this completes the product review of this Shine Armor Waterless Wash, Shine, and Protect 3-in-1 product. I'll have the product link in the description below, so go check it out. And for those of you that tried this product, please leave in the comments below how it is, if you like it, if you don't like it, how long it lasts. In their website, supposedly this is made in USA. One thing I would suggest is if you are going to be using this product is to make sure you clay bar your vehicle first before you apply the product. Now I don't know what the longevity of this product is, but it is supposed to rain next week, and so I'll do an updated video on my Instagram to show you what the product looks like after the rain. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free monthly giveaways for my YouTube subscribers every month. And comment below on what other products that you guys use to keep your vehicle clean, and I'll go ahead and check those out. And as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.